Welcome to this quick guide on how to withdraw your money from crypto.com to your bank account. Step 1. Verify your account. Make sure your crypto.com account is fully verified and that you have linked your bank account. Withdrawals only work if the bank account is under the same name as your crypto.com account. Step 2. Sell your crypto. Open the crypto.com app, go to Accounts, and choose your crypto wallet. Select the cryptocurrency you want to cash out, tap Sell, and choose Fiat Wallet as the destination. Once confirmed, the money will appear in your Fiat wallet. Step 3. Withdraw Fiat to your bank. Go to your Fiat wallet, tap Transfer, then Withdraw, and select Fiat. Choose your currency, enter the amount you want to withdraw, and pick your linked bank account. Confirm the withdrawal. Step 4. Processing time. Withdrawals usually take 1 to 5 business days, depending on your bank. Keep in mind that some withdrawals may be processed as wire transfers. And that's it! You've successfully withdrawn money from crypto.com to your bank account.